Hi, and welcome to Rakuten Advertising. In this video, we will show you how to use the Add and Remove Columns menu in the reporting interface. I'm starting this video directly from the reporting interface. For instructions on how to get to this step, check out the Help Center. To open the menu, click the Add and Remove Columns button. This menu contains over 100 columns that you can add to reports to refine your results. Column fields are organized by category, and some fields might be placed in 2 or more categories. You can hover over any field to view an explanation of the data it will display. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the columns you want to add. In this case, I'm running an individual item report, and I want to add the Offer Rule column so I can see the reason a transaction was deemed commissionable. If some fields are grayed out, it is because they are incompatible with columns that are already in the report. Here, for example, I cannot add the Click Position column. Once you have made your selections, click Apply, then click View Report to reload the report with the columns. I can see the Offer Rule column has been added to the grid over here on the right. To rearrange the grid, simply drag a column to where you'd like it to be. If you want to remove a column, all you have to do is click the X next to its name. You can also reopen the Add and Remove Columns menu and uncheck the columns you want to remove from there. Check out the Help Center to learn more about the reporting interface. Thank you for watching.